Hey guys, it's Coke from Math Challenge. In today's problem, let's break down the concept into a big idea and the calculation portion so we can just make sure we know what we're covering here. So did the hint give it away? Yes. The outline of the circle here means that this portion of the diagram highlighted in pink is a sector of the circle. And going further, because the outside diagram here is a square, we know that it creates a 90-degree angle, which means that because there are 360 degrees in a circle, we know that this pink region is equal to exactly 1/4 of the entire circle. This entire pink region is equal to 1/4 of the circle. And the 5 centimeters here, which was the length of the square, is actually also the radius of the circle, which is equal to 5 centimeters. So let's talk about the big idea here. If we can take the circumference of the entire circle and divide it by 4, that would give us the length right here of the sector. And then because we also need to find the other side that's enclosing it, we can take that answer and divide it by 2 to get the answer. So for the big idea, let's just start with the circumference equation. 2 pi r is equal to the circumference, and we can refer to pi as roughly 3.14. And so again, for our big idea, we're going to take the entire circumference of 2 pi r, divide it by 4, which gives us the top region, and then multiply the answer by 2 for the bottom part. So let's fill in the numbers here for the calculation. So if it's 2 pi r, we have 2 times 3.14 times the 5, which is the radius. And if we divide that by 4, we will get an answer of 7.85. And because there's 2, we need to multiply that twice. So 7.85 times 2 gives us an answer of 15.7 centimeters. Alrighty guys, I'm going to drop the hint for the area portion of the problem. There's going to be a countdown. If you want to try it on your own, go ahead and pause the video. Here we go. So this is the area portion of the problem. It's pretty epic, so stick around until the very end. So based on the previous problem, we now know that this pink region, once again, is a part of the circle, and it is 1/4 of it. So if we took the area equation of a circle and divided it by 4, we can then get the entire area of this shape right here. But do we really want the white area as well? I don't think so. So how can we come up with an equation to get rid of this white area here? Aha, the hint. The hint drew a line through the diagonal of the square here. And if we outline that line, we would get a right triangle inside the square. So I think you guys got it by now. If we can take the outside sector area and subtract it from the inside triangle, we would get the area of half of the football right here. And because it's half of the football, we can multiply it by 2 to get the entire area of the shaded region. So let's write down the big idea with a picture and also with a generic equation. So first, we would find the area of the pink shape, subtract it from the triangle, and that would equal half of the football here. And then finally, we can take half of the football and multiply it by 2. So if you converted it as an equation, let's start off by writing the area of a circle, which is pi r squared is equal to a. So pi r squared divided by 4 minus the area of the triangle, which is the base times the height, divided it by 2, equals the football shape. And then again, we can multiply the football by 2. So first, let's find the area of the sector. So that is going to be 3.14. And then the radius is still the 5 squared divided by 4. If we do that, our answer should come out to 19.625. And now for the triangle, the base and the height are both 5. So we can do 5 times 5 divided by 2. So that should give us an answer of 12.5. And if we subtract the 2 from one another, we would get 19.625 minus 12.5. And that will give us an answer of 7.125. And finally, once again, because there's 2 of those half-size footballs, we need to multiply it by 2. So 7.125 times 2. And that will give us our final answer of 14.25 square centimeters. What'd you guys think about the problem? Please comment below. And if you enjoy these types of problems, please go ahead and just smash that subscribe button. I greatly appreciate it. Stick around for the joke of the day, and I'll see you guys next time on Math Challenge. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.